The Chicago Lighthouse Assistive Technology Center presents a demonstration of the Orcam MyEye 2.0.
Hello, this is Luke Scriven here at the Chicago Lighthouse, and today we are going to be demonstrating the Orcam MyEye 2.0, which is the new device from Orcam. So let's get started. Alright, so the Orcam MyEye 2.0 is a wireless version of Orcam's MyEye. And this is what it looks like. So it's just a kind of a rectangle which goes onto the side of a pair of glasses and attaches with magnets. And using this, we can do multiple things. We can see people's faces, we can have text read aloud to us, and identify colors, identify products, identify banknotes. So it has a whole lot of technology packed into just this small form factor. So here I have a pair of glasses, and this is what the camera is going to mount onto the side of. And the mount is a magnetic mount, and you can put it either on the right or the left of the glasses, which is a new feature. Previously, you could only mount the camera on the right-hand side. Now you can mount it on either side, depending on whether you are left-handed or right-handed. So that's a nice feature. And the mount will fit on pretty much any pair of glasses, so if you are a glasses wearer already, you can connect the camera to your existing glasses. So what we do, we have the mount on here. There are two magnets on the mount, there are two magnets on the camera, and all we have to do then is attach the camera to the glasses. Nice and easy. And this is obviously extremely portable and mobile. You wear the glasses, the camera's on the side, you can take it anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and put the glasses on here. And we'll take a look at one of the first functions and one of the main functions, which is to read printed text aloud to us. So here I have a flyer, and to read it I'm going to hold the text in front of me, and I'm going to go ahead and point at the text. The camera will take a picture and then it will read to me.
The Chicago Lighthouse Tools for Living store. We specialize in offering assistive technology, independent living aid.
And to stop it there, I held up my hand in a stop gesture. So you could hear that that was extremely fast, it's very accurate and really easy. All you have to do is point and it will read to you. You can actually set that up in a number of different ways, and so another way that we could read if we wanted, rather than pointing, is by tapping the camera on the side.
Bert, additional resources you should know about. The Chicago Lighthouse Tools for...
And we can also set it up to automatically read, in which case we would just hold the text in front of us for a predetermined number of seconds, and it would start to read aloud to us. So this device is extremely easy to use. Now there is another type of reading we can do called touch reading, whereby we point at the text and leave our finger on the page, and it will read to us whatever is directly above our finger. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to hold the page in front of me. I'm going to point and leave my finger on the page, and it will start to read to me.
To watch demonstration videos on many of our low-vision technology products, these informative videos will keep you up to date on what is new.
And so it started to read what was directly above my finger. This is called touch reading, and it allows me to navigate around a page really easily just by pointing wherever I want to have something read and just listening to what it says. Another feature of the reading, which is really convenient, is the ability to skip forward and backward through the text using the touch bar on the side of the camera. And to do this, we can swipe either forward to forward wind or backward to rewind. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I'm going to take my flyer here with the text on, look toward it, point at it. The camera will take a picture. And now I'm going to start moving backward and forward by swiping on the side of the camera.
Shop online, Chicago store, 1850.
That was forward, now backward.
I-800, 1850 web shop online.
And I've now double tapped on the touch bar, and the camera is beeping to let me know that currently the text reading is paused. So if we double tap on the touch bar, it will pause the reading. Okay, so let's move on to a new feature, which is barcode scanning. And so with Orcam, you are able to save products into the device by taking pictures of them and naming them. But now there is a database built in, and we don't have to save products anymore. There are a number of saved products in there already. And if we look at a product barcode, it will tell us what the product is if it's in the database. So in my folder here, I have some barcodes. I'm going to go ahead and take one of those. Okay, so here we have a au jus gravy from McCormick, and I have the product packaging on the page here. And I'm just going to go ahead and hold this in front of me, and I'm just going to leave it held there, and the camera will recognize the barcode and identify the product for me.
McCormick au jus gravy mix.
Okay, and there we go. It identified the product for me. Just look at the barcode. You don't even have to do anything else. Just look at the barcode, and as soon as it identifies the barcode, it will read the product to you. So you can imagine if you're going shopping in a store, that can be a really useful feature, or if you're trying to identify different products in your home because you want to make something, again, a really useful feature. One of the other new features is the ability for Orcam to identify colors. And here I have an oven mitt, which we sell in our store, and I want to know what color this is. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the oven mitt, and I'm going to point to it and leave my finger on the oven mitt, and the camera will tell me what color the oven mitt is.
Dark purple brown area.
And there we go. So we got an idea of what color that product was. Again, nice and easy, just point and listen. Another cool feature of Orcam is the ability to identify banknotes. And all we have to do is look at the banknote and it will identify it similarly to what we did with the barcode. So I have a banknote in my hand. I'm going to go ahead and hold it up and just look at it, and the camera will identify the note for me.
$5.
And there we go. So we got told the denomination of the note. That will work with any of the US banknotes. Now Orcam does contain one more feature, which is facial recognition. And this is really cool. You are able to take pictures of a person and then save them into the Orcam and name them. And then whenever the camera sees them, it will identify the person for you. Now, unfortunately, I don't have anybody here with me today that I can demonstrate this with, but it's a very simple process. When somebody's in front of you, you hold your finger onto the side of the touch bar, and it will take a number of pictures of that person. And then you can just say their name and it will record that. And then whenever it sees them, it will repeat their name to you so you know who's in front of you. So that was the Orcam MyEye 2.0. And as you can see, it has a number of really useful features. I think it's a great product. There is also an Orcam MyReader 2.0, which looks the same as this device, but it just does the reading. So it doesn't do the product identification, the facial recognition, the banknote identification, or the color identification. But that also is a really great product. And if you are interested in finding out more about either of those devices or any other assistive technology devices, please feel free to reach out to me at 312-997-3649, or you can email me at luke.scriven@chicagolighthouse.org. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.
At the time of recording, the Orcam MyEye 2.0 is $4,500 and the Orcam MyReader 2.0 is $3,500.